What's up, everybody? Jamie down here at Allen's Autosound, House of Hard Knocks, Thousand Oaks, California. Come on in. We're going to give you guys a little tour here of the shop. So here we pride ourselves in some of the state-of-the-art displays here from the manufacturers. One of our major brands here, Rockford Fosgate, covers our buggies, boats, as well as your vehicle kits. Fully active displays, so we have speakers, subwoofers, marine controllers, the upgraded marine controllers, and just standard stuff with the punchline. Oh, here's my favorite, focal display. This here we upgraded, put some Mosconi amplifiers on it, so you can truly enjoy and hear this the beautiful sound that the speakers reproduce by using a much more higher end and beautiful amplifier. And then let me move you on out here to the back. A couple of projects we're working on here. 19 F250 diesel. Did the Morimoto headlight application on it. Did that and the fogs. We also did the rough country LED inserts for the middle of the grill, as well as an Escort 360 Max CI installation in here. So we got front, rear radar, radar alerts, as well as laser receiving and jamming front and rear. Little 71 Karma gear restoration here. So basically we got her almost to the point of assembly. We mocked up the carpet kit, make sure everything in there lines up, looks good. Put the radio in there just to fill up the hole. We got new gauges coming, new top, new windows. I'm gonna put power windows in it. Cleaned up the motor, made it all look pretty here with a couple of dual Webers. And here, the House Hard Knocks, Allen's Autosound, we can do it all. Anything you need, any questions you have, feel free to give us a holler. We'd love to help you out. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.